So you see me outlining with a pen that I have. Go ahead, outline any design that you want. Slide the cardboard or piece of board that you have. Um, After that, you're going to want to go ahead and start to cut out your design. So you see me cutting with both hands, my left and my right. Don't be afraid to use both hands, but if you're more comfortable, just use your left or your right. For me, it's easy to use both hands. So like I said, just pick one if you want. After you get done cutting and outlining your design, go ahead, bring the pant leg inside out. You're going to want to start to take the blue fibers out with the tweezers. Only the blue fibers, not the white ones. This is a long process, but don't be discouraged by it. Even for a lot of people like me that have been doing it for years, we still take kind of long to do this because it takes a while to practice. So like I said, don't be discouraged by it. Just keep going at it. You'll eventually get it, and it gets easier. So after you get done taking out all the blue fibers, go ahead, slide your pant leg back out. You're going to want to slide the board in. That's when you want to grab any knife that you have. Go ahead and make tiny little slits all around the design. It makes for a more wear kind of look. after you're all done, you're gonna want to. The next step is take out the board. You're gonna want to throw them in the washer and the dryer. Your settings don't matter. Like I said, all of the settings on your washer and dryer are to your preference, however you like your jeans, however you wash and dry them. What you're seeing now is me throwing them into the washer. Next thing is you're going to want to throw them into the dryer. Like I said, dryer settings do not matter. They are your preference and your preference only. This is the final right after the dryer. So yeah, hope you guys liked them. Leave a comment down below, and thank you.